Hello and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how to create MetaQuest accounts. So friends, if you want to create accounts, follow me in this video guide. First step, go to Google, search for MetaQuest create account. This is the keyword. You will see this page. From here, click set up accounts with email. You should write your email address, friends. After that, when you write your email address, click here your email address. Write your first name and last name. Type your first name and then write your last name. After that, click on your birthday date, month and day and year. After that, write your password, create a password. You should write a strong and good password, and then you will open your account. You will see your dashboard here and your all details from your accounts. So friends, just follow the steps, email address and your birthday, and create a password. I hope this guide helpful for you. Don't forget, give like and give share this